Hello students, today we are going to start math chapter number 3rd, that is subtraction. Okay, today we discuss our exercise 3.3 and the topic is subtract the following by breaking down the bigger number. In this method we subtract the given number by breaking down the bigger one number. Okay, we break a bigger one number there. Okay, there are some methods. Okay, there are some rules how we break a bigger one number. There are two numbers always given there are always given a two numbers, and one is smaller and one is bigger. We always break a bigger one number according to the given smaller number. Okay, now we follow some rules. Okay, now we follow some steps how we break a given bigger number. Okay, now we discuss our examples. Okay, and we study about the rules. Okay, now the first example is 3362 minus 9. Okay, that is our first example. 3362 minus, now which one is bigger? 3362 is bigger and 9 is smaller. We always break the bigger number in tens form or in hundreds form. It depends upon that smaller number, which one given their smaller number. If the smaller one number is nearest to a tens, then we break the given number in tens form. If the smaller number given there is nearest to 100, then we break the given number in 100 form. Okay, if the smaller one number given there is in nearest to 100, then we break in 100 form. If it is nearest to 1000, then we break this in 1000 form. Now 9 is nearest to a 10. Okay, now 9 is nearest to a 10. Okay, so we break the given number in tens form. Okay, otherwise you write a place value there, place there are that 9 at one's place, that 2 at one's place, that 6 tens place, 300 place, 3 that 1000 place. Okay, you write a place there. Okay, now because 9 is nearest to a 10, so we write the place value of 10, that digit present at 10's place, so we write the place value. There are place because that is nearest to 10, so we check a 10 there is a 6 at 10's place, 6, so the place value of 6 is 60. Place value of 6 is, because 9 is nearest to a 10, so we check the at 10's place, what is it, 6, so we write the 6 place value of 6, that is 60. Okay, now that is our one part. Okay, one breaking part is 60. Okay, one breaking part is 60 and other breaking part we subtract this 60 from the given bigger number. Okay, we subtract this 60 from the given bigger number, that the given bigger number is 3362, so 3362 subtract 60, so answer is 203302. Now other one breaking number is that 60, other we subtract this 60 from the given, other came, that is 3302, that you by self find. Okay, that is according to the rule and that you find by self. Okay, now we that these two are the breaking parts. Okay, breaking parts of the given. Now we follow the steps. Okay, that you always follows in every sum. That firstly you write a statement always. Okay, firstly write a statement always, then you break the bigger one term according to the smallest one. Smallest one is nearest to a tens, so break it in tens form, and that the breaking part is this. Firstly you add this, then you subtract this. Okay, firstly you add this, then you subtract. Firstly the addition part, 3302 plus 60. Okay, and now the same that minus 9. Okay, now the firstly solve the small two numbers, that 60 minus 9 is what, that you solve it of that firstly 3302, that is same firstly, and that that small numbers you subtract, that 60 minus 9, that is 51, you solve in rough work. Okay, now add these two, that is 330251, add these, that is 2 plus 1 3, 0 plus 5 5, 3 3. Okay, so the answer is 3353. Okay, that is our answer. Always break the given bigger number according to the smallest one number. Okay, smallest one number is nearest to a 10, then breaking it in tens form. If it is nearest to 100, then breaking it in 100 form. If it is nearest to 1000, then breaking the given number in the hundred form. Always break the biggest one number. Okay, now the next example is 5562 minus 50. Now the bigger one number is that, and the smaller number is 50, and that is nearest to a tens, that is it is in tens form. Okay, now write a place value there. 0 ones place, 0 ones place, that tens. Now that 2 is ones, tens, hundreds, that is at thousand place. That is it, it is nearest to a tens because it is in tens form. So we break the given number in tens form. But in what tens? We see a check a 10 digit. Okay, tens place digit. At tens place which digit? 6. So 6 place value is 60. If there is at tens place is 7, then we write a 70 there. 7 place value 70, 8 place value 80, 9 place value 90. But there is a 6, so we write a 60 there. Okay, because that are tens in tens form, so we break the that tens digit. Okay, tens digit, we write the place value of the tens digit. Okay, that is 60. And that is our one breaking part. Now the other breaking part, how came? That subtract this breaking number from the given bigger number. Given bigger number is 5562 and that is 60. Okay, that number is come from the rule. Okay, other number we find by itself. Okay, now there is two subtraction there. Okay, 6 minus 6 0, 5 5 0 2. Okay, so the other second number is 5502. So the two numbers came. Okay, these are our two numbers that are the splitting parts. Okay, breaking numbers. That now we follows the same step. Firstly we write a statement always. Okay, then the breaking part of the bigger one, that the breaking part is this is breaking part. 5502 plus 60. Okay, firstly always write a statement, then the breaking part is 5502 plus 60, that minus 50 same. Always subtract the that smaller numbers. Firstly 5502 60 minus 50 10. Okay, now you add this. You always solve this in rough work or by self solve you, because you know addition and subtraction. 5502 plus 10, that is 12. Okay, that you also add in rough work. Okay, that is our answer. By the splitting method, by the breaking method, it is easiest to solve the subtraction. Now the third example is that is separate. Okay, because there is a smaller, that is a bigger one number, and that is a smaller one number, and smaller one number in not hundred form. Okay, smaller one number is in hundred form, so we split the break that bigger one number in hundred form. Okay, there are ones place, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay, there at hundred place 4, so we break that is that number bigger one number in hundred form. There at hundred place 4, and there at hundred place 8, hundred place 8, and place value of 8 is 800. We always write a place value there. There is a place value. A place value of 8 is 800 because there is a 100. Okay, it is nearest to 100, so we break it in 100 form. Okay, in 100 place is a 8, and a place value of 8 is 800, and other number is other breaking part is we get from that 800 subtract from the given number, always like back. Okay, 1853. Okay, that 1853 minus 800. Okay, answer is 358 minus 80 1053. So the other number is 1053. That way our two numbers came. Okay, now we same process follow that again, write the same statement. Okay, and the breaking part of this is breaking part of this is 10. The breaking part is that breaking part 101 1053, breaking part 1053 plus 800 minus 400. Okay, firstly we add these small terms. 1053, that is same. Okay, then 800 minus 400, that is 400. Now you add these 1053, that is 1 4 5 3. Okay, that is our answer. You always break the bigger one number according to the smaller one number. If it is in tens form, then we break that in tens form. If smaller one number in hundred form, then we break the given number in hundred form. Okay, thanks students.